Don't mind the Thestrals. They're clever and useful, they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. Got him, don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Whoa!
Oh, Craigie, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem.
That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn! And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.